El Paso's district attorney points fingers after a judge dismissed rioting charges against 59 migrants yesterday and dismissed similar charges against 200 other migrants last week. CBS 4 10's Julia Spencer is at the county courthouse in downtown El Paso to let you know about the DA's political beef with El Paso's chief public defender.
Well, District Attorney Bill Hicks let out multiple reasons today as to why these dismissals happen. And he says he's not going to give up the fight. However, the public defender says that his reasons are all wrong as to why these cases were dismissed in the first place.
I want to emphasize why we think it's an erroneous order. If you don't have jurisdiction and you cannot make a substantive ruling on those cases, then you don't have jurisdiction to dismiss the cases.
El Paso District Attorney Bill Hicks held a news conference today about the riot charges that were dismissed for dozens of migrants on Monday. Hicks said the charges were dropped because of a clerical error he blames on the district clerk and county clerk offices, before adding this.
I think that Ms. Childress, the public defender, has a political motive.
Hicks went on to explain that public defender Kelly Childress Diaz had other options for her clients, but didn't consider them.
They could have gone to trial. They could have pled their case. They could have even gotten their cases, their clients out of jail. They waived several bond hearings.
They're absolutely silly. If I had political motivations, I wouldn't be a public defender.
Childress telling me later the DA has the wrong idea.
The idea that someone should plead guilty to a crime because it's easier on the attorney is a little offensive, and Mr. Hicks, having previously been a defense attorney, it surprises me that he would say something like that.
Hicks said he's either going back to the grand jury or appealing the judge's order. But Childress told me taking misdemeanor cases to a grand jury is a waste of money and time.
It seems to me, as an attorney and as a taxpayer, that I can't fathom what they think justifies this.
Attorney James Montoya, who's running against Hicks in the November election, agrees.
The DA's office was forced to take these misdemeanor cases to a grand jury, which is, again, a very unusual and abnormal procedure. And so, in my opinion, these cases have been mishandled from the very beginning.
But Hicks says he won't drop the case.
If we have to fight hard for justice, that's what we do. We fight hard to hold people accountable.
Well, District Attorney Bill Hicks hasn't decided what he's going to do about the remaining 59 cases just yet, on top of the 200 that were dismissed last week. Once we find that out, we'll be sure to let you know both on air and online at cbs4local.com. I'm reporting in downtown El Paso, Julia Spencer, CBS 4 at 10.